This The Rich Company property video is presented by Liddy Jennings. Welcome to a low-maintenance lifestyle in the heart of Washington, where the charm of historic downtown meets the tranquility of one-floor living in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath end-unit townhome located a block away from the Pamlico River. Roof and other exterior maintenance is covered by the HOA. HVAC system is approximately 3 years old. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious living room featuring a cozy fireplace, perfect for chilly evenings. The interior plantation shutters create a bright and inviting atmosphere that's ready for your personal touch. The kitchen seamlessly connects to a dining room area, offers just the right amount of counter space and cabinets that you will need. The master suite offers a walk-in closet, double sink vanity, and walk-in shower. For those who appreciate natural light and a touch of the outdoors, a delightful sunroom awaits, providing the perfect spot to bask in the sun's glow or unwind with a good book. One of the standout features of this home is the attached one-car garage, ensuring convenience and security for your vehicle, cabinets for storage, and a workbench. Additional privacy is guaranteed as this is an end unit, allowing you to enjoy your own space without compromise. The back patio within the confines of a gated community offers a retreat where you can relax and enjoy the pleasant eastern NC weather. A short walk takes you to the eclectic shops, antique stores, and a plethora of restaurants, making this townhome a gateway to the vibrant downtown scene. The historic district neighborhood itself is a haven for walking and bike rides, with plenty of sidewalks and friendly neighbors who embrace the Southern tradition of warm hellos. Residents of the Willows have access to a community building for social gatherings and events. With the river just a block away and the charm of historic Washington at your doorstep, this property is more than a home. It's a simplified lifestyle upgrade waiting for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Liddy Jennings at 252-943-8184.